Success in today's era feels overwhelming, right? Here's a mind-blowing fact. Over 80% of the world's top universities still teach ancient Greek philosophy. Why? Because the secret to success haven't changed. Only the tools have. Socrates taught us to question everything. Aristotle believed success is a habit. The Stoics mastered peace in chaos. Even today, these ancient techniques are shaping CEOs, creators, and change makers. Do you want to supercharge your success? Start by thinking like a Greek. That's exactly what we are going to do today. Learn to think like Greeks. Welcome to the channel Elevate with Shachi Seth. Hi, I am Shachi Seth, writer, entrepreneur, life coach, and your dear friend. Join me as I dive into the ancient Greek secrets and challenge ourselves to supercharge our success. We are all looking for ways to boost our success, whether that's in our careers, personal lives, or relationships. Ancient Greek wisdom offers timeless insights that can help us achieve our goals. The Greeks were masters of understanding human nature and developing philosophies that can guide us towards a more fulfilling life. We all face struggles in our path to success. Sometimes it feels like we are stuck in a rut, unable to move forward, no matter how hard we try. We might lack direction, feel uncertain about what we want to achieve. Other times we do have clear goals, but struggle with motivation, finding it hard to take that first step or keep going when things get tough. And then there are strategies. We might have a clear plan, but still something holds us back from executing it effectively. Lack of direction is a common issue. We might feel overwhelmed by choices and unsure which path to take. This indecision can lead to a standstill, preventing us from making progress. Without a clear direction, it's easy to get caught up in day-to-day tasks without making significant strides towards our long-term goals. Another challenge is maintaining motivation. We start with enthusiasm, but as time passes, our drive can dwindle. This is often due to not having a strong enough reason to keep pushing forward or not seeing immediate results. It's easy to get discouraged and lose steam. Effective strategies are also crucial. Having a plan is one thing, but the right approach can make all the difference. Without understanding how to navigate obstacles or set realistic milestones, we can find ourselves spinning our wheels without getting anywhere. The idea of ancient Greek techniques to supercharge our success is about using timeless wisdom from Greek philosophers and thinkers like Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, and the Stoics to strive in the model world and thrive. Even though they lived thousands of years ago, their insights into human behavior, mindset, discipline, and purpose are incredibly relevant today. Here's an elaboration of how you can apply these techniques for modern success. 1. Socratic questioning. The power of self-inquiry. The concept of this wisdom by Socrates is constantly question your assumptions, beliefs, and choices. To apply in modern times, before making any decision, ask yourself, why am I doing this? Is this aligned with my goals? What evidence do I have for this belief? This promotes clarity, critical thinking, and better decision making, which are all essential for success in business, relationships, and personal growth. 2. Eudaimonia, living with purpose and fulfillment. Eudaimonia, a concept introduced by Aristotle, goes beyond the modern idea of success tied to wealth or fame. It refers to a state of true fulfillment, living in alignment with your highest potential and moral values. According to Aristotle, real happiness comes not from external achievements, but from living a life of purpose, virtue, and meaning. In today's world, where people often chase quick wins or social validation, eudaimonia reminds us to set goals that reflect our deeper values. When we focus on personal growth, contributing to others, and mastering our skills, we experience a richer and more sustainable form of success, one that nourishes both our mind and our soul. 3. Arit, excellence as in habit. From Aristotle, excellence is not a one-time act, but a habit developed through discipline and practice. For modern day application, build daily routines that align with your highest self, whether it's reading, health habits, leadership, or creativity. Consistency in your efforts leads to mastery. 4. Stoic control. Focus only on what you can control. This concept is from Epictetus and Marcus Aurelius. As per the concept, peace and power come from focusing only on what lies within your control, your thoughts, your choices, your actions. In the chaotic life of today, AI, economy, social media, war, control your reaction. Don't waste energy on external noise. This mindset gives you mental clarity and emotional strength. 5. Kairos. Seize the right moment. This is from ancient Greek concept of time. Unlike chronos, which means clock time, kairos is about right or opportune moment. One has to be strategic, know when to act. In today's fast changing landscape, timing is everything. Learn to sense opportunity and take bold steps at the right moment. 6. Paideia, lifelong learning and character development. This concept comes from Greek educational idea. According to the concept, success is not just about knowledge, but about building character, ethics, and wisdom over a lifetime. To apply on a daily basis, develop a growth mindset. Read. Learn from mentors. Improve your communication, self-awareness, and emotional intelligence. In today's era, these are power skills. 7. Logos. Reason and logic over emotions. This concept comes from Heraclitus and Stoics. The concept says we should base our decisions on rational thinking, not fleeting emotions. When you're overwhelmed or confused, take a step back, journal your thoughts. Use logic to weigh pros and cons. This helps in leadership, finances, and chaotic life choices. In today's era, we are constantly surrounded by distractions, notifications, news, social media, and endless to-do lists. Ancient Greek wisdom offers a powerful remedy. It brings back focus. Philosophers like Socrates and Aristotle emphasize deep thinking, purpose, and reflection, qualities that help us cut through noise and concentrate on what truly matters. In today's fast-paced digital age, where we often rush from task to task without pausing, their teachings remind us to be intentional, to act with clarity, purpose, and values rather than reacting impulsively. And perhaps, most importantly, in uncertain times, marked by economic shifts, global challenges, and personal setbacks, the calm, grounded mindset taught by the Stoics offers us mental resilience. The core message is we can't control everything, but we can always control how we respond. This equips us with inner strength to face any challenge heads on. In conclusion, ancient Greek wisdom offers valuable insights that can supercharge our success. By understanding and applying philosophies like Stoics, Arete, and setting a telos, we can overcome common struggles and achieve our goals. Thank you so much for joining me on this dive into ancient Greek secrets for success. I would love to hear from you. What ancient wisdom resonates with you the most? Leave a comment in the box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content on personal growth and development. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit the thumbs up icon. Remember the bell icon for notifications. Goodbye. God bless.